Real stories, which goes to the formula of garbage in, garbage out. Dot the I's, cross those T's, not once, not twice, but thrice.
It's hard enough to run a business. Add a pandemic, add a deficient government agency that is in charge of facilitating funds to keep a business alive during COVID, but then add to it a business owner who has their craft doing the thing that makes the money, but then there are other things maybe business owners aren't good at. And
let's just call it what it is, sloppy.
Because you didn't know when you started your business, you were going to have to learn how to be a loan officer because, I have my regular business owner hat on.
But the loan officer is going to laugh. I'm laughing in your general direction because I want to know why you think it's okay, small business owner Linda, to send in a driver's license that is expired 5 months ago as valid ID.
All right, there's that. Use that as an example.
Or the client who submitted a tax return so that we could do an EIDL reconsideration and the client, big black magic marker, redacted.
When you rely heavily on your CPA and then you find out that your CPA put your husband's social security on your Schedule C for your LLC, I'm sorry.
Oh, wait, what about the other CPA? No. So the client has 3 businesses and the CPA put the EIN for one of the businesses on the other business's tax return, not once, not twice, but like for years. Or the NAICS code that I looked up once for one of our clients. It's a modeling agency. They specialize in people of color and LGBTQ forward. But the CPA put on their tax return the NAICS code for
an escort service. Chicka bow bow.
What I do in my process when I underwrite a file for submitting to reconsideration or an original EIDL application, when someone hires us to do that, is I underwrite OCD, anal retentive on steroids. That's how I've picked up the expired driver's licenses, the wrong NAICS codes, the wrong EIN numbers. I ask for articles of formation. I ask for the EIN filing receipt. SBA doesn't need those things. I do it. When people give me their banking information, so I take the voided check and I match it to the bank statement. Can't tell you how many times I've caught somebody sending me a voided check from an old account. I'll ring them up and go, hey, I get this check and it doesn't match your bank statement. Wait, what check are you talking about? Oh, wow, we closed. Harry, why did you give Trevor that check? We closed that account 17 years ago. I've been reading tax returns since 1989. I've seen thousands of them. I've seen really, really great ones. I've seen mostly really bad tax returns. Done by all types. The local tax prep office, your cousin Josie, and
yes,
a
you
CPA.
did, Michael. Let me go back to Jason. Is it true if you resend documents to go to the back of the line? I'm going to say no.
Well, I've heard that also, Jason.
Thank
I've
you,
had
Carol.
SBA agents tell me that. I don't really know that that's true because my experience of having been processing now for over a year, dozens of reconsiderations, I send documents in and the responses are all over the map. Speaking of our client with the 30-day calendar days approval on a reconsideration, to reiterate, I filed an EIDL original application for him at the middle of February, and we found it was eligible, and then we accepted the eligibility. A few days later, it was declined, unverified information. SBA wanted to see tax returns and things to verify real business. Okay, so we filed a reconsideration, sent that in 30 calendar days. I'm not kidding. On the 30th calendar day, we got an email saying, please update your portal. So I went into the portal and it was asking for another document. I don't remember what it was. A voided check, a 4506T, a bank statement, I don't know. I uploaded it, logged out of the portal, went back, looked at my computer screen. A new email from SBA pops up like that. I called the client. He gets the authentication code, gives it to me. I log back in. This is not kidding. 3 minutes. Approved. So, Jason, in that case, clearly the document I uploaded that morning went right in,